In this short tutorial, you will learn how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. As many of you know, Instagram used to limit users to only 10 photos in a single post. However, with the new update, you can now add up to 20 photos. This is great news for those who want to share more photos at once. First things first, ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Instagram. Once you see it pop up, select it. If there's an update available, make sure you hit that update button. This ensures you have all the latest features and bug fixes. Once updated, go ahead and open the Instagram app. Now that you're in the app, look for your profile picture icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to navigate to your profile page. Next, we're ready to create a new post. At the top right corner of your profile page, tap on that plus button. Select Post from the options presented. Now comes the most exciting part, selecting multiple photos. Look for this button here, it allows you to choose multiple photos at once. Tap it. Now you can start selecting up to 20 photos that you want to include in your post. Simply tap each photo until you've selected all your favorites. Once you've made your selections, tap Next. Here's where you can edit the photos if needed. After that, tap Next again. Finally, once everything looks perfect and ready to go, simply tap Share. And there you have it. Posting more than 10 pictures on Instagram is easier than ever when following these steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.